Oh gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new video, guys. So as you can see in the description box below, so this is from Tarte Cosmetics. So and we'll do the unboxing together. So let's see if the product that I got from them is really nice and it's worth the money, you know. So let me open let me open this box right here, and then I'm gonna show you what product that I got from. But first, let me do my brows very quick, and let's go ahead and start opening this box. So hi guys, I'm back with the brows. Ganon. Okay, so let's start opening this box right now, you know. So wait okay, so this one right here, guys. So let me show you. So I've got 50% off for if I'm gonna order the Sugar Rush line. So yeah, and then I have sample too. So this is their skincare hydrating boost hydrant. So yeah, this one, guys, this is the this is the concealer. So from Tarte. So this is the Shape Tape Contour Concealer. So yeah, I got the shades. I'm not sure if the shades is in here. Oh, and it's so cute. Oh my god. And then the second item that I got from them is the Face Tape foundation. So I believe this is the new product of Tarte. So since they have like a 50% discount, guys, for the second item, so yeah, kaya bumili ako. And then I have also the what is this? The sample for the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. So yeah, so we'll use this also today. So okay, I'm gonna open the foundation first, since because foundation is, you know, the first thing that we're gonna put in our face. So ito yung ano, guys. So ito yung forma ng foundation nila. So ito yung design. So this is the Tarte Face Tape foundation, and it's so cool and nice. So this is the shade Light Sand. Yeah. And then the other shades that I got is the light neutral shades. So this one, hope kita siya, no? So I'm gonna put the neutral color here, and then the light sand here. So let's see if there's a difference between the two, since this color is under the medium shades thingy. I'm not sure. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this sponge right here from NYX. But first, before I put this foundation, I'm gonna put like primer first, of course. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Primer. What? Basta, yun na yun. So okay. So tapos na tayo maglagay ng primer. So let's put the foundation, and let's see if there's any difference between the two shades sa face ko. So okay guys, since tapos na akong mag-primer, so let's put the natural color here and the light sand here, okay? So I will be using the NYX sponge, okay? So I'll just put directly this foundation to my face at like this. Oh, I think it's kind of white. So shades, I'm not sure. Tingnan natin guys kung anong shades yung bagay talaga sa face ko. So since this shades is under the medium skin type guys, so and you like there's a lot of like shades that you can select, but yeah, the only thing about ordering online is you cannot like, you know, you cannot really find the right shades for you, or you're not sure if it is the right shades for you. So that's the thing. So yeah, so that's that. So in fairness, yeah, it's really a full coverage foundation. Yeah, you can see the difference, right, from this face and this face. So next is I'm gonna put the light sun in the other side. So I just use the other side of the sponge. So the packaging guys is so cute. I really like it, and the smell of this foundation is, yeah, it's nice too. So let's see if makakover niya yung mga pimples ko or the pimple marks that I have right now. If you can see guys, small amount lang yung nilalagay ko. So I'm gonna put more here. So if you can see also guys, so the right shades for my face is the light sun. Parang it's just natural and it's not heavy foundation. So yeah, that's that guys. So I think there's kinda just a little bit of difference, right? So this one right here is kind of white and this one is kind of natural. So yeah, but if you gonna like put powder, so or maybe later on it will just like blend naturally to my face. Yeah, I like it. It's so nice. And it's so flawless looking foundation. That's cool. Okay, so that's that. So next is we're gonna try to use this concealer right here. So actually guys, there's the shades, so it's in here. Tanga lang talaga, no? So I got the fair shades and the light neutral concealer. So I'm gonna show you this concealer right here. So see guys, the packaging. Oh, and there's a free sponge right here, and it's so cute, and it's so, my god, I really love this. And guys, of course, let's talk about this flamingo right here. OMG, OMG, OMG. Oh, so like this. Oh my god. Ay, OA lang. Ganun. Cute naman talaga eh. See? It's so cute. Oh my gosh. You know? You got the concealer girl, and then you got this, and then you got this. So, girl, I tell ya. Okay, so wait guys, let me put water first in my sponge. So okay, so same pa rin yung gagawin natin. So the first shades is here and the second shades is here. So since I put the natural foundation here, so I'm gonna put this one, so the light neutral concealer here in my left side. So the right side is the fair. Okay, so this is the neutral color and this is the fair color. This one right here. Okay. Oh, it's really, really cute. I cannot. TARTE. So, like that. So, let's blend it using the sponge na kasama na sa concealer. Like that. And then the other shades, the fair, sa other side naman. So, I'm gonna use the other side of the sponge. Ayan. So, yun siya guys, yung concealer. So, yeah. So, it's really true na very thick talaga yung content. What? Oh my god. Thick talaga yung consistency niya, guys. Consistency. OMG, I'm having hard time saying that word. Oh gosh. Okay, so yun na guys. So yeah, so far, let me see again. So hindi naman siya nagkikiki and everything like that. So meron siya ditong parang lines konti. But once we put powder on it, so wait ha, isi-set natin siya guys to see kung maganda talaga yung effect niya or whatnot. So set muna natin yung concealer and then I'm gonna put a blush sa face ko and then I'm gonna use this the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush na sample lang. So, and then I'm gonna get brush first, okay? But, i-ano muna natin. I-wipe off muna natin yung powder na nandito. And yeah. That's it. So far, I really like the coverage, the finish of the foundation and the concealer. As you can see guys, nag-blend na siya. So parang hindi na iba yung nilagay ko dito and dito. So okay, let's just let me finish my makeup first because I'm so white. And then put some lipstick too. So, yeah. So, that's it, guys. Yun yung product na nabili ko from Tarte Cosmetics. So, I got 2 foundation, I got 2 concealers. So far, I really liked it and it's worth the money. And, nag-sale pa ito ng 50% off sa mga second item na binili ko. So, yeah. Hope you like my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, guys. No hate. Just love. Okay? Peace out, guys. Bye.